I need to get sentimental. I need to get sentimental. A scent, the scent of mental. Two and two. What is two and two? My scent and your scent? Are you sniffing my butt? What is it to mean sentimental? What is 50 cents? What is two and two? Okay. Oh, got a cramp in my hand. Oof. Ate too many. Believe it or not, I was a pig tonight, and I ate a bag. Um, I ate a bag. I ate this whole bag up. 600. I like to know how much cholesterol is in these scallops. I don't want to tell you I'm embarrassed. I'm embarrassed. But vitamin B12, 65%. I was with a friend of mine this week, and or speaking to her, and I'm missing vitamin B. What do I do? Anyways, just ate a whole bag of scallops. I feel like a big pig. Two and two. You put your 2 cents in, I put mine. What's the difference? The difference is the subject we talk about, the one that was sent, half and half, 50%, your judgment and mind, and the expression in French is 80, which means 420, because my vision of the 2 cents I talk about and your vision of the 2 cents is actually mirrored, and we end up with 420, in which is a Mayan term. So to end this video, we have two hands. You have two hands. You have two decisions. I have two decisions. At the end, we're going to make one choice of the two decisions we each had. So that's actually four. And it's only one decision. But that one decision is like one of your decision and one of my decision. It could be two different decisions, but we're going to be taking one decision. So two decisions, we're going to be taking one decision of a decision that we had this way of the decision or that way of the decision, where you saw my decision on this side and that side, and I saw your decision on this side and that side. And that's where I understand the terminology of where they use 420. Weed, marijuana, open the mind, act a little silly. You don't have to act nuts. You don't have to go nuts. You don't have to be nuts. You just have to understand you have the ability to choose, and you have the ability to create the two sides of your own choice, to where you will only make the one choice that you choose. And will you choose it? And are you the only one there, or the elements of nature that stand before you? So this is basically complicated. The other thing I was going to mention today is it this way or this way? The angle. The minute I duplicate this reality, it becomes the angle. It becomes the angle. So I'm going to finish the video off. So now we understand. You see, French, they say 80 is 420s. They say 90 is 420s and 10. So the 10 is separate. When you say 70, they say 60, okay, the whole 60, and then they say 10. So in 60, they don't mention a 20. In 70, okay, they mention the 60. To get the 70, you need the 10. But in 80, you need 420s. So now it's, do you understand? If you can really understand how the French do this, then you can make a balance of what the numbers actually mean according to the French, because of what they do. In 90 and 60, they're adding tens, but in 90 and 70, they're adding tens. 977, the gateway and the birth. Okay, first you need a gateway. If you're going to have a birth, you need a gateway. So you need the stork, and the stork is STORK, and it's more than just a stork. It's the combinations. This is 39, S and T. Church is 38, okay? This is 1 and 2. Church is still 3 and 8, but to make the 3, you need a 1 and a 2, and you also need 420s. You need 4 2s to make that 8, okay? C and H is in your church. The U and R in the church are equal to the same thing as S and T. The S and T letters as 19 and 20. The U and R letters between 18 and 21 are above each other in the numeric value. One is a 3 and 8. One is a 1 and 2. 19 will be the 1. 20 will be the 2. U and R as not to where O and R is the gold. And the gold is through the moon. And the reason for that is the word gold has 3, 4, 7, and 6. The number 5 has a surrounding of 3, 4, 7, and 6 around it. I'm going to have to use, do I have the calculator? I don't have the calculator with me. I'm going to use my phone. Hopefully it doesn't shut down on us. Here's my phone. And when you're going 1, 5, and 9, there's an in-between between 1 and 5 is 3. The in-between star, you see the area space of the circles creates a star? The in-between 5 and 9 is the 7, so it's 3, 7. And in between 3 and 5 is 4, and 5 and 7 is 6. 34, 76, it's the same thing for gold. 3, 4, 7, 6 is for God. The diameter of the moon is 3,476 kilometers to 2,160 miles, and where that numeric value is now a 9-day period of 24 hours. And everything we do has to talk because it's all numeric for the computer system that everything is run off of. We're not metal, but we have iron. B12, alpha, beta, creation of everything, 1 and 2. Have you ever thought of it, Michael Jackson, ABC5? Well, the 123rd day of the year is May 3rd, 1, 2, 3, and then in the 5th month, May 3rd, the 5th month, 123rd day of the year. I'm just mentioning that because it's Doug's birthday. Doug is not really a friend of mine, but he's sort of a friend of mine. So all these things, when you go 10 and then you go 20, the number 11, it has a TH in it. Every number is first, but when you come to 11, it's 11th. We don't start again until it's 21st, okay? Anyways, Raphael, 7286 in a constellation of Pegasus. Behold. Thank you for watching this video.